Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a contour and highlighter stick by Melani. This is in the color Light Neutral 02. That is what I'm currently wearing. If you are wondering, is this any good? I don't know. You have to stay tuned to find out. And before you watch the video, if you could please push that subscribe button and that little bell, I'd appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm actually very matte. I just have my foundation on and set with some powder. Let's go ahead and try the contour color. Now this color, let me just kind of rub it on my hand, is more on the khaki side, I guess you could say. It's a very light khaki brown, which I prefer these type of tones on my skin color. So it is actually super creamy. I'm going to just take a brush here and see if it's blendable, how it looks. Ooh. Ooh, that's so pretty. This is a color more on the cool tone. You know, a lot of these contour colors are like a dark brown. Well, that's more for like warm tone. I actually prefer cool tones. Sorry if I was out of camera. Cool tones on my face. Wow, that's beautiful. Just right there on the neck. Let's see how this, when I tell you guys that this is extremely creamy and blendable, look at that. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Now I don't normally contour my nose with creams because anything I put on my nose will come off. Just look at that. An extremely natural contour for my skin tone. And my skin tone, I typically use more like of a yellow undertones with like nudes or neutral colors. Absolutely. Wow. This is gonna be my favorite contour stick. Okay guys, so let's go in with the highlighter. It is on an applicator like this, a double-sided applicator. I'm going to go ahead and just smear it on my wrist here. Okay, so it's, can you see that? It has the like gold tones, but it's a very natural type of highlighter. Like it's not the blinding kind that I'm used to. So let's go ahead and see how this works. Just going to, it's a bit more liquidy than I'm used to as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and just draw it here on the high points of my cheek. I use a dried beauty blender for any liquids I put here, any creams. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So it's blending, it looks nicely into the skin. You guys see a difference? So I think that's it. I think that's all we're going to get, actually. Let's put a lot more. You guys can see this, like especially when the light hits it like that. So this here is just a very natural looking highlighter. I think you see a little bit of red right there because I think I had a pinch of blush still on that. So I have a strong feeling that if you had a very little amount of makeup, or you really are not into like foundations, because I have a very full coverage foundation on right now, that this would look even more stunning on the skin bare with less foundation. But look at this. So if you're trying to achieve more of a natural contour, well, the contour is stunning. If you're trying to achieve more of a natural highlighter, or even the contour, I think this is absolutely amazing. And you know what? The highlight is not too bad. It blended out gorgeous. And it looks very natural. So when I turn to the sides, it just kind of hits on that light and just gives me like that dewy look. Okay guys, so like I mentioned in the video, I honestly think this is going to be one of my top favorites for 2018. I will definitely use this again, and I think it's such a beautiful, more natural contour, more natural highlighter. Which you guys know I'm not used to like a very natural highlighter. I do like a bling bling, but you guys can see just the light that it reflects off of my the high cheek, on the higher point of my cheek. I think it's really pretty. And I would say go to Walgreens and get this. The Milani Contour and Highlight in number 02 Light Neutral.